In this video, we'll talk about the effects of alcohol on the body and specifically what happens to your body when you decide to stop drinking alcohol. It's important to understand the effects of alcohol on your body and how those effects change as you stop drinking. Whether you are going to reduce the amount of alcohol you consume or completely stop drinking, now that we have that figured out, let's talk about the changes that occur after you stop drinking alcohol. First, let's discuss the effects of alcohol on the body. According to research published in various publications, the body's ability to process alcohol decreases as we age. Because of this, even moderate amounts of alcohol can have a greater impact on older people than on younger people who drink the same amount of alcohol. In addition, older people are more likely to have health problems such as high blood pressure and liver disease, which can be exacerbated by alcohol consumption. It is widely believed that drinking 1 glass of wine each day is good for your health. Studies have shown that moderate alcohol consumption, defined as 1 glass of wine a day for women and 2 glasses for men, can have some health benefits, including reducing the likelihood of developing cardiovascular disease. However, it is important to note that this is not to say that drinking alcohol is necessary for good health, and there are many other ways to minimize the risk of cardiovascular disease, such as through diet and exercise. In addition, drinking more than the recommended amount of alcohol can have negative effects on the body, such as increasing the risk of cancer, liver damage, and leading to alcohol dependence. Thus, drinking alcohol should be in moderation, not a means to improve your health. Now let's talk about the benefits of reducing or not drinking alcohol. First, you can avoid accidents. At least half of all significant injuries and deaths, including burns, drownings, and homicides, can be attributed to alcohol use. It is also a factor in 4 out of every 10 fatalities that occur as a result of a fall or car accident. You don't have to abstain from all liquids to be safe. Even reducing your alcohol consumption by 30% can result in fewer injuries and sick days, and your heart condition will improve. You may think that drinking alcohol in moderation, such as the occasional glass of red wine or other alcoholic beverage, is good for your heart. But it may not be. Or, it may be true only for people who drink in moderation, less than 1 glass a day. If you drink more, reducing or completely avoiding alcohol can reduce your risk of heart failure, as well as your blood pressure and levels of fats called triglycerides. Second, your liver will heal. The removal of toxins is a function of the liver. In addition, alcohol is bad for your body cells. Heavy drinking, which is defined as at least 15 drinks a week for men and at least 8 drinks a week for women, can be detrimental to the liver and leads to fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and other health problems. The good news is that the liver can self-heal and even regenerate if it is damaged. Therefore, reducing alcohol consumption or avoiding it altogether is usually the best option for weight loss. A serving of wine contains about 120 calories, and a glass of medium beer contains about 150 calories. In addition to adding essentially meaningless calories to your diet, alcohol also stimulates hunger. It also makes you more impulsive, and it makes it harder for you to turn down fries or any other tempting food on the menu. Therefore, if you refrain from drinking alcohol, the number appearing on your scales will likely begin to decrease. Friends, before I go on about the benefits of giving up alcohol, I'll ask you to like this video and also subscribe to the channel with a bell so you don't miss new helpful videos about nutrition and health. This is the best thank you for my work, because I try very hard to put out only quality content for you. Third, your relationships will get better. Having fun with friends while drinking alcohol in moderation can improve your mood and strengthen your connections with others. However, if you drink alone or consume large amounts daily, it can become an unhealthy habit. If you are unable to control your drinking, you may develop a condition known as binge drinking disorder. If you want to be able to focus on your relationships, work, and health, you should give up alcohol. It can also reduce feelings of depression or anxiety and boost your self-esteem. 4. Quitting alcohol reduces your chances of getting cancer. It is well known that drinking alcohol, especially excessive alcohol, can increase your risk of developing various types of cancer, including esophageal cancer, esophagus, pharynx, mouth, throat, and breast. What is less obvious is whether stopping alcohol consumption reduces the risk of developing cancer. 5. The quality of your sex life will improve dramatically. It may be that drinking alcohol makes couples more sexually active, but drinking more than 1 drink a day has the opposite effect. And this is especially true if you have a drinking problem or addiction to alcohol. Men may have difficulty getting and maintaining an erection. Women may have a decreased sex drive and their vagina may become drier. Try drinking less alcohol and see if the passion in your relationship increases. 6. You will sleep much better. Alcohol can make you drowsy at first, but if you do fall asleep, it can wake you up several times during the night. It also prevents you from entering the restorative stage of REM sleep and can make it difficult to breathe. You may also have to urinate more often. If you want to get a better night's rest, you should avoid alcohol, especially late at night and at night. 7. You will be less likely to get sick. Even one incident of excessive drinking can reduce your body's ability to fight infections for 24 hours afterwards. 8. Maintain a healthy blood pressure. If you drink a lot and your blood pressure is too high, you can bring it back to normal by doing one simple thing: giving up alcohol. If you drink a lot and your blood pressure is too high, even a small reduction in your alcohol intake can have a significant positive effect. Discuss your numbers with your doctor. 9. Clarifying your brain and thoughts. Alcohol addiction can make it difficult to think clearly or remember things. Drinking alcohol in excess on a regular basis can distort your sense of distance and volume over time, as well as slow down and damage your motor skills. You may also have more difficulty interpreting other people's feelings. However, if you give up alcohol, your brain seems to be able to recover some of these skills. 10. Withdrawal. If you drink heavily and suddenly stop drinking, your body may fight back, especially at first. You may experience cold sweats, palpitations, nausea, vomiting, shaking hands, and extreme anxiety. There have even been cases of people having seizures or seeing things that were not their hallucinations. Your doctor or therapist who specializes in addiction treatment can give you advice and also prescribe medications to help you cope, such as benzodiazepines. It should be noted that it is very important to have an accurate understanding of the harmful effects of alcohol abuse, especially as you age. In addition, quitting alcohol can have many positive effects not only on your physical health, but also on your mental health. Recovery from alcohol withdrawal is gradual. The first positive changes can be noticed after just a few days. To achieve the best result, it is necessary that the person suffering from alcoholism does not stop struggling. For people who have been abusing alcohol for a long time, the recovery process is quite painful. Liver problems begin, the hangover syndrome takes a chronic form. Migraine-like headaches appear, there is a nagging pain in the muscles. These symptoms indicate the beginning of the process of readjustment. How long does the body recover? The duration of this process depends on the stage of alcoholism. Instant improvement in the condition should not be expected in persons who have been drinking alcohol for decades. All manifestations after giving up alcoholic products indicate not a purification of the body, but a strong poisoning with toxins. How is the body purified? After many years of taking alcohol-containing products, there is a need to get rid of accumulated poisons. At this time, excruciating symptoms triggered by the withdrawal syndrome appear. Photophobia, fear of noises, dizziness, nausea transforming into vomiting, fever, pressure spikes, trembling of hands and feet, headaches. Know that the benefits of quitting alcohol will begin to show in a few days, and will continue to improve over time if you quit drinking. Friends, I encourage you to watch my other videos, which are a great addition to all of the above. They will appear on your screen now. I bid you farewell and see you again.